May mabigat ka bang pinagdadaanan? Bills, family problems, emotions, health. Here's the truth. Jesus wants you to know today, hindi ikaw ang bahala. Si Lord ang bahala. You were never designed to carry everything alone. Sabi sa 1 Peter 5:7, cast all your cares on Him, for He cares for you. Yung cast dito sa Greek ay ripto. Ibig sabihin to throw forcefully, to drop the weight, to release completely. Hindi mo lang binibigay kay Lord, binibitawan mo. Sabi sa Psalm 55:22, cast your burden on the Lord and He will sustain you. Hindi ka niya papabayaan, hindi ka niya iiwan. Sabi sa Matthew 11:28, come to me and I will give you rest. Jesus doesn't give more pressure, He gives rest. Isaiah 41:10, do not fear, for I am with you. I will help you, I will uphold you. When life is heavy, when the storm is loud, when your strength is gone, God says, anak, sa akin mo itapon yan. Ako ang bahala. You don't quit because God is holding you. You don't fail because God is helping you. You don't walk alone because God is carrying you. So today, my friend, release the weight, cast the burden, let Jesus carry what you can. Declare this, I cast my cares on Jesus. He is in charge, not me. Comment mo dyan, my friend. Lord, ikaw na ang bahala. Like, subscribe, and share para ma-encourage lahat ng pagod, pressured, at malungkot to rest in Jesus again. Blessed to be a blessing. God bless.